Wagwan Jamaica, you don't know say a king crisis. A long time I don't see the face down. Well, I am back with a brand new series called 7 Minute Saturdays. So every Saturday, I go spend 7 minutes on YouTube teaching you how to make use of the time, especially in this COVID pandemic, blah 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 blah. So anyway, let us get into the meat of the matter. I'm gonna talk about candy barbecue. This week we're gonna talk about videos. I know a lot of persons nowadays are trying the YouTube thing, you know, if they try to get 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 watchers, they get money. So yeah, so enough people are trying the whole YouTube channel thing. So and them now have a professional camera and whatever. So them afraid to start because them say them video now go clean. Even my video not clean. Look at my video. No, it's not clean. It's not the best. But one way you can shoot some superb video as a beginner is to use your smartphone. Yeah? A lot of the smartphones nowadays have 4K capabilities. And 4K, it's not necessary, you know, but everything nowadays is kind of 4K, so I suggest you shoot in 4K. If not, you can always use 1080p, but ensure that you're shooting at least 60 frames per second. Most phones don't really go over 60 frames too, so you can't say at least. So shoot at 60 frames per second. Another thing is, when you shoot with your phone, ensure you hold it in landscape mode, okay? I'm tired to see some video with the phone hold up, so you know, cute. And in the resolution, you cut in half when you hold the phone. So when you shoot a video, hold the phone like this. Alright? And try and hold it as stable as possible. Don't hold it so it will shaky, you know, go see precise. Like this. Make a DMT finger down. Show it. Make people say, come back, the boy are professional, excuse me language. And you know, sleep, you know. And that is the next thing, you know, make no sense you shoot video and then shaky. Me not watch it, honestly. Could have been a friend till Die Kingdom come. I now watch a video of them shaky. I'm sorry. And also, a next tip. When you're shooting, I would suggest you go in your settings in your phone, whether it's iPhone or Samsung, and you're gonna turn on the grid lines. That is when the two lines come down vertically and the two lines go across horizontally. So you're gonna use those lines as your guide. You're gonna always try to keep your subject in the center lines. So always try to keep your subject in the middle box, always in frame. Alright? And if your phone uses autofocus or you have to tap it for it focus, always keep the subject where you have video as well in focus. And ensure that your audio quality is good. If your phone for some reason don't have good mic, and I think every phone nowadays have good mic still, especially the high-end Samsung and iPhone. I'm not gonna lie, iPhone mic is good. Ensure that you have good audio quality, because even though I say if your video shaky, me not go watch it. If your audio not clean, me not watch it either. Me don't want to hear your neighbor in the background and tell Keisha to left her man. Me not going to watch it. Although Keisha to left her man for you. You have to stop it, Keisha. Stop it. You have to left the people them man alone. Jesus Christ, man, you have to mash up the people them like. Enough about Keisha. Keisha, I'm very sorry. If you're watching this, Keisha, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and share with the man where you're given with. So anyways, if your phone audio not good for some reason, you can always use a secondary device aside from the one where you use to capture the video. You just hold the phone like this, ensure that the mic appears where the words or sounds are come from. In this case, the mic on the top of my phone, so I'm gonna hold it. So most mic up on the bottom of the phone, why for that still?
Oh, no, the kid is the bad dad.
On the lower end of the phone, let me fix up that phone in line. On the lower end of the phone, you hold it where the words are come from, so it be as clean as possible. Alright, a good app you can use to record audio if you don't have a good recording app on your phone, which comes on every phone nowadays. I mean, it's 2020. Is the voice recorder app. Now you can get that app in the Play Store for free. And don't upsell on the Play Store. Yes, whatever, yeah. You can get the voice recording app for free on the Android Play Store. I think it comes on all Samsung devices because I'm a Samsung user. But if you're not a Samsung user, you can always go and download that app. It's very good. You can use it, record the voice separate from a next phone while you're capturing the video on another phone. On iPhone, you have the voice memo, which is pristine. You have to give the props to that. The voice memo on iPhone is pristine. So if you use an iPhone record your audio, kudos to you. Next thing is the editing. You know, no phone, no laptop, I just no phone, I use edit video. One of the best video editing software I come across when you used to use my phone to edit video is Filmora Go. And it's free. Well, you can buy things in there, but it's free. If you're a beginner user, you not get the premium foolishness thing like start this and start that. It's free. So you can use it and you can edit 4K, 1080, the portrait, the landscape videos and export it and then you upload it directly to YouTube. So no complaints or excuses for you produce garbage type videos. I mean, with all of them tips that I just give you, this is just the surface anyways. Next week, I'm gonna go more in depth about the direct shooting of the videos with the voice capturing as well and the editing. Now, this one is just for the mobile users. If you use a mobile both shoot the video and edit the video. So next week, maybe get in depth for both the mobile users for the shooting and editing and also the people who shoot on the mobile and edit with a computer. Maybe go through the various software where you can use, yada yada yada. Remember, see a 7 minute me say each segment I go mean so. I don't want to keep up on it too long. I don't do more than to watch them and get money for YouTube too. So remember if you mash up the subscribe button, mash up the like button, share with your friend, share with your neighbor Keisha, make sure share with our brother man too. And forward back next week for your next series on King Crisis 7 Minute Saturdays. Signing out! So before I go, wait people them soon to sponsor a video and call it them one and agree. This week's video was sponsored by Vectronics Digital Media Services and Cluster Inc. If you want beautiful graphics, UI and UX design, posters, flyers, logos, and much more, photos, videos, blah 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 blah, you can always reach out to Vectronics Media Services or Cluster Inc. Okay? Bye!